A nice spot.
What?
That's a nice spot. Too bad those handicaps aren't shaded behind me, or I'd have one of them. Don't yell at people. They'll freak out because I'm video. Don't yell at
So what?
So don't yell off there to people. They'll get weird because I'm video. Think I'm videoing them or something.
Sounds funny.
Yeah. There's paddle birders way out here. Nice place to be.
Those docks can go way up.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
I hope they never go that far out. We got some issues.
That's crazy.
If they go this far out. They come back up. As tall as those poles. Yeah, you got a whole other problem right there.
Design though. I never thought about it before.
Yeah. Slide right up there.
Yep, slide